Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Auto Repair, guys. Today, guys, we're working on that BMW that we painted. We have quite a few videos on World Mechanics, our main channel, guys, and let me show you what we're going to do today on that thing. As you can see, the paint sometimes never turns out as you want it, and you always might have some orange peel. I mean, it's not bad paint job at all, but it does have orange peel. Okay, you can see like close up like that, and from here you can't see it too bad, but we want to make sure it looks like the factory paint. Okay, right there, with no orange peel at all. So today, guys, we're gonna show you how to fix orange peel easy, the right way, so you know you can do it at home, and you can turn even a crappy paint job into something really good looking. So stay with us, guys, and show you how to do that now. So this is everything we need, guys. Painting is it's not cheap, that's for sure. That's why people charge so much, but you can buy small quantities. So we'll show you now. We're going to need 1200 sandpaper, 2000 sandpaper. It needs to be the water sandpaper. We're going to need 3M. We use 3M, you can use other products, but those work amazing. 3M perfected rubbing compound, which is step 1. Step 2 is machine polish, and step 3 is hand glaze. We're going to need some tape, pad for the rubbing compound, and pad for the machine polish. And what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to dip the 1200 sandpaper. We just get 1200, and you need to make sure you dip it in water really good, and you're gonna start sanding. But it's very important not to go through the clear coat. It's I know it's tricky. Let me turn the light on so maybe we can see a little bit better. We'll show you when you need to stop, because if you go too much, you damage the clear coat, go all the way through it, and you won't be able to fix it. And always when you have an edge like that here, always be careful, because those are the things that usually you sand the most, because they're sticking out. You want to tape around the area that you're going to fix, like tail lights, bumpers, whatever it is, so you don't sand those. Okay, and we're just going to keep sanding with the 1200, and once we're done with it, we'll stop and we'll show you exactly how much we need to do that. It's going to turn really good. I think we have a video on Auto Repair, guys. We have one, and we have on World Mechanics how to blind paint. So check it out, guys. It's pretty cool. I mean, you don't have to paint a whole panel. And many more videos on World Mechanics, so check those out. And one thing about it, always go straight line when sanding, never go in turns, always back and forth, that's number one thing, because otherwise you will get swirls, you won't be able to buff those. You can get a foam pad like that. Okay, that's by 3M, and usually flat surfaces, it works really good. It's really convenient. We like it a lot, we use those a lot, and it's a little bit easier, but again, around edges and stuff, just be careful not to go through the clear coat. You won't be able to get it the first time, that's for sure, but it's better to stop, dry it, and check than just go too much. So stay and we'll show you how to do that now. Okay, guys, we're gonna rinse it off now. It's important to rinse it off before you proceed to the 2000 sandpaper. So make sure you don't have anything left from the 1200, because you might have like a stone left or something like that, and this will affect the 2000 sandpaper. Okay, right here. We use Gator, 3M is good as well. Just don't use cheap sandpaper. Cheap sandpaper will damage your paint. Make sure it's good quality paper, because the cheap one, the stones are not as fine as they should be, and you will not be able to buff the paint job. And we're going to go again a little bit less with this one, and once we're done, we'll show you what we shoot for and what we hope it looks like. Okay, you can see that foam coming. That's perfect. That's a clear coat. And usually, guys, we do it about we wait about 2 days after paint job to do that. That's the best time for us. We figured it out. Other people wait like a week. We've seen people waiting less than a day, but I think 2 to 3 days for us works the best. Okay, we're going to rinse it off again, and now we need to dry, guys. And once we dry it, we'll see if we did it good or not. And that's when you know if you need to go a little bit more, then you probably should. Okay, we'll show you now. Just make sure it's rinsed really good, and we need to dry. Okay, it's getting dry now. We need to just give it a minute, and we already saw a few imperfections, so we'll show you in a second. So let me show you now, guys. That shouldn't be here. When you get close, you see that stuff, that's the orange peel. We have a little bit left here. It needs to be like that. Okay, a few here left, you can see. It needs to be like right here. All smooth with almost none. If you leave a few, it's fine. That actually you can simulate the original orange peel of the paint job. So something like that, it's okay, but we need to go a little bit more here. Okay, and we left the rest of it on purpose because we have a video to show you how to blend paint as well. And we have a little bit right here as well that we missed. So we're gonna get that with just 2000 now because we already went with 1200, and 2000 will do it for us. So we're gonna go get it done quick, dry it again, and show you what else you need to do to make that thing look like glass. Okay guys, we're using the 3M rubbing compound now right here, step 1. So we're just going to go ahead, apply generously. You need to do it probably twice, and we'll show you how to buff it. It's very important to get it right with the rubbing compound, because if you don't, it's not going to bring the shine, and you have those spots here and there. So just be generous on that. And we're using the 3M buffing pad right here, the one with the bumps. They have 2 different ones. One is for machine polish. This one is a little bit harder, and it works amazing for the rubbing compound. We're gonna go at about 1700 RPMs. Alright guys, and we're gonna get a microfiber towel. We're gonna wipe the whole area now, get it really good. And if you missed a spot, you need to go again, probably twice is recommended, to be honest with you, because one time you will always have a little bit here and there. And just stay with us and see how shiny that thing is going to turn. Already you can see, and that's only with the rubbing compound and after one time. So imagine when we do the machine polish as well, what's going to look like. Second coat needs to be thinner than the first one because we already got most of it. Just don't put too much, just wasting it, and it will be hard to buff. It needs to be just a little bit less than the first one. You will see what we're going to do here now, and it started looking pretty good so far. So we're impressed. Red is the one that shows quite a bit of imperfection. Okay, just like that, and we're gonna go ahead and buff it now. Okay, we're gonna wipe it again with a microfiber towel. Make sure it's clean, soft towel, otherwise you will scratch the paint. Okay, and it's not perfect yet, but it's getting there. You can see how smooth it is so far. We just need to bring that brilliant finish out of it now. Okay, changing the pads now, guys, so we can go ahead and finish with the machine polish now. Alright guys, we're ready now for number 2 machine polish, so we're going to cover the whole area now. We're working on, we recommend, like, if you painted a whole car, just do a door or a fender at a time. Okay, and this one doesn't need to be as thick as the rubbing compound, because the paint is already lubricated, it's not dry, so it won't take as much, but you need some just to buff it, to polish it really nice. You see how shiny that thing is going to look now. Okay, right there. And we're almost ready to buff it, and we'll use the new pad now, a softer one. And we're going to go again about 17 to 1900 RPMs with that one. So we're gonna wipe it again with another microfiber towel, okay, the whole area, and it's recommended to use the hand glaze now. Okay, the one right here, hand glaze, and just apply this one by hand, thin layer. So we'll just apply a very thin layer of that, and we're gonna wipe it. Alright, this one is pretty good. And we're gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then we're gonna wipe it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead, wipe it really good now. Almost done. Okay, and we get a new microfiber towel. That's the one that we finish it with. And let me turn the light on so you can see how shiny that thing is. I'm just gonna wipe the whole thing, and okay, that's what the paint, guys, looks like. Look at that. That's like crystal clear finish. There is no orange peel at all. You can see, look at the shade. I mean, you remember what it used to look like, and that's what it looks like now. So way better. At least we think so. Let us know what your opinion is, guys. So that's how you fix orange peel paint, and you get it no matter what you do. It could be less, it could be more, but it's fixable. The thicker the clear coat is, the easier to fix it is, because you won't have to worry about going through the clear coat when you're sanding. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us know what you think. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.